Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enable YouTube notifications so you never miss a new video from your favorite channels. First, open YouTube in your browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Next, click on your profile picture at the top right corner. From the menu, choose Settings. On the left side, select Notifications. Here you'll see all the options for YouTube notifications. You can turn on alerts for things like new uploads, live streams, comments, mentions. To get notifications from a specific channel, go to that channel's page and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button. When you click the bell, you'll see options like All, Personalized, or None. Select All if you want every update. Finally, make sure your browser notifications are enabled. You'll usually get a small pop-up from your browser asking if you want to allow YouTube notifications. Click Allow. And that's it. From now on, you'll get notified whenever your favorite creators post something new. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.